I'm with Roy from Magewell, and in this video we're talking about how the Magewell Control Hub helps with the transition to IP. So Roy, let's start with the challenges people are facing when they're moving to IP.
Yeah. So I think with the AV, the merging of AV and IT nowadays, we are seeing a lot of application of AV over IP. That is a great idea. It offers our customer scalability, flexibility, for the AV signals. But it also adds another layer of the complexity, for managing all these devices and different protocols. The people used to only need to care about the AV signals, like the format and stuff like that, but with the transition to IP, they need to be aware of the protocols, interoperability,
sure.
Network environments and stuff like that. So that's kind of the challenges most of people are facing during the transition. And then I think what people really want will be the IP-ized the AV signals, but without all these complexities.
Yeah, it's a good point, and it's all about trying to simplify those workflows, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how can you help with that simplification?
Yeah, so at Magewell, we are trying to make everything things easy for our customers. We're focusing on the straightforward AV over IP solutions. For all the device that we design, it is easy for customer to use. It's very straightforward, and then so the total learning curve of the Magewell device is very low, when we are talking about AV over IP. So yeah, and then we have streaming device, capturing device, and device for IP conversion, and all short of this, and then people can get in hand and then get into the transition with close to zero learning curves.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess we're standing in front of Control Hub here.
Yeah.
Where does it fit into the whole system?
Yeah. So the Control Hub itself is more of a management level of all these devices. So people are getting all IP for the AV signals, and then these IP devices, we have the decoder here. So it's IP, and then it gets into the network, and then when you are considering deploy it for multi-site or large-scale development, you simple functions firmware upgrades becomes a headache for the daily operations. So that's where Magewell Control Hub comes in. It ties all the IP devices together, and then you can monitor the signals like this, and then monitor the status of the device, see if anything went wrong. So it helps with the management, monitoring, and then daily maintenance of the firmware upgrades, and then you can also remote into that device to have a local web view of that device, and then to configure the settings that you like. So it is really a powerful tool to help people with the transition to IP without bringing any additional complexities.
Cool. And Control, it's not a brand new product, is it? It's been around for a little while?
It has been around for a few years now.
Yeah.
And then it keeps evolving. We are the recent updates adds the support for the monitor. It's more kind of organized, you can see the rack and then different blades that's under there. So if you have multiple monitors, that will be a very easy way to identify which is which in the different sites.
Yeah. And these new updates, are they available now for people?
Yeah, these are all available. And I think the most advantage of the Control Hub is on the licensing side. It's a perpetual licensing, so you just need to pay for once. There's no subscription fee for this. So once you settled, and you can always stack the license together to based on the needs of your organization.
Wow. So if people aren't here to have a demonstration, where is the best place they can go to check out this product and the other products that Magewell produce?
Yeah, so that will be on our Magewell website. That's magewell.com/Control Hub. And we have our full suite of the software available to help the customer with their transition to the AV over IP environment.
Right, that's great. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.